Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best binary options no deposit Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. When it comes to binary options trading, some brokers will offer a binary trading no deposit bonus. This means that the trader will not have to deposit any money in order to get started as a binary options trader. A binary trading no deposit bonus is one of the most common offers made by brokers. This is an excellent way for brokers to attract new traders and allows new users to get started with live trading without any initial funding. How a binary options no deposit bonus works is actually quite simple. A binary options no deposit bonus is a free bonus which traders can receive through a verified registration on a binary trading site, which has this option on offer. This is a risk-free move for traders and an ideal way to start live trading without running a financial risk. This translates to a positive shift for traders in terms of a risk-to-reward ratio. The bonus on offer will typically be credited to the trader's account upon verifying their ID and resident documents for trading. These types of binary bonus options are typically offered to beginner traders and will range in value up to $50. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best binary options no deposit Forex brokers can sometimes find it a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best binary options no deposit Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license, with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on demo, standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. At number 4 on our list is Expert Option. Expert Option is a binary options broker regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or VFSC. Focused exclusively on offering binary options and specializing in trading through all major and some minor Forex pairs, a selection of 16 popular cryptocurrencies, stocks of US-based companies, and commodities. The trading platform offered by Expert Option is designed specifically for trading in binary options, is web-based, and supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include a free demo account, a micro and basic account, silver, gold, platinum, and an exclusive invite-only account, with a variety of educational materials, 24/7 customer support services, and more. Expert Option also offers their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into topics such as technical analysis, the psychology of trading, trading strategies, daily market insights, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as a library of featured video tutorials. If you are searching for any additional educational content with Expert Option. Coming in at number 3 on our list is XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. At number 2 on our list is BDSwiss. BDSwiss is a European brokerage firm that was established in 2012 in Switzerland. The company has a reach that spans over 125 countries, with a client base of over 1 million registered accounts. BDSwiss offers traders the opportunity to trade an array of financial instruments, such as currencies, stocks, commodities, indices, and more. Their accounts are available on Demo, Classic, VIP, and Raw spread accounts, with lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, live support, daily analysis, free live webinars, access to over 250 instruments, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, BDSwiss Web Trader, and their Mobile Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. BDSwiss also provides their very own educational research and learning panels, which cover daily videos, daily market analysis, technical analysis, Forex educational ebooks, beginner Forex lessons, a variety of live educational videos, as well as seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with BDSwiss. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best binary options no deposit Forex brokers, we have Binary.com. Binary.com is a UK-based binary trading broker that has been licensed by and is under the regulation of the British Isles, Malta, Ireland, and the United Kingdom. It is one of the most transparent binary options brokers in the industry. It has made declarations of owning the company, and it is in charge of the market operations. The platform brings together aspects of speculation and binary trading. Its services include FX margins, crypto trading via MetaTrader 5, and CFDs. Binary.com offers you over 100 instruments to trade with, and also offers interactive webinars, daily market reports, and ebooks, as well as videos for learning, all for free for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational content with Binary.com. And those are some of the top 5 best binary options no-deposit Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.